Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. Is your marketing strategy effective? What can you say about your ability to sell any product or service to an audience? Still unsure of the best ways to earn a living? You've come to the right place if you're looking for answers to these concerns. After signing up as an affiliate, we'll tell you how to make a lot of money. What exactly is affiliate marketing? By allowing affiliates to profit from the sale of the owner's product or service, this marketing model serves as an effective online sales strategy for both the owner and the affiliates. Every time a customer purchases a product through an affiliate's link, the affiliate receives a share of the profit. When a business uses third-party publishers to promote its own products and services, it is engaging in affiliate marketing. So, this is all about the affiliate's compensation. You may not be aware of this fact, but affiliates can earn a recurring commission as well. We'll go over that in more detail later on. Let's first understand the concept of recurring affiliate commissions before we get into the details of how it works. What is the difference between a one-time commission and a recurring commission? You may receive a one-time commission from some companies for referring customers to their products or services. Some businesses, on the other hand, pay you on a regular basis. Companies vary in how much of a share they give you, but as long as the customer stays with the company, you get paid. Is it possible for you to earn a recurring income from affiliate marketing? We have you covered. In this video, you will learn about the best recurring affiliate programs that can help make your income steady as an affiliate. You've come to the right place for this information. However, how will you be able to maintain a steady income? Recurring income affiliate programs are instrumental in making this possible. The recurring affiliate program concept. As long as your referred customers complete the transaction and make a payment, you will continue to receive a commission. You're implying that these programs don't just pay you commission on the first purchase made by your referee, but also on each subsequent purchase. Recurring revenue can be generated from these programs for as long as your referred customers are still paying customers. Recurring commissions are restricted in some affiliate programs. There are exceptions, however. The programs that allow you to earn money for the rest of your life are the best. You'll find references to many different companies in this article, such as ClickFunnels, Aweber, ConvertKit, and many more. Why participate in recurring commission affiliate programs? In the long run, it's better to have a lower monthly payment than a higher one-time payment. Isn't it? An example will help you better grasp this concept. An ongoing commission of 25%, $12.50, is preferable to a one-time commission of 75%, $37.50, for example, when it comes to $50 bills. You don't have to spend a lot of money, time, or effort to get the orders converted into sales because your referrals do all of the work for you. Choosing recurring programs is another benefit. For both affiliates and companies, it's a win-win situation. An entry-level deal and overtime payments make it easy for affiliates to attract customers and keep them coming back. Companies, on the other hand, value recurring commissions because they help them boost sales. The image above illustrates the difference between one-time and recurring affiliate sales. In contrast to one-time affiliate programs, which only generate revenue for a short period of time, recurring affiliate programs generate revenue on an ongoing basis. Recurring affiliate programs are without a doubt the most convenient way to effortlessly meet your monthly expenditures. Additionally, it generates a recurring monthly revenue stream, which is critical in today's expensive world. A list of the best recurring income affiliate programs is provided in this video. It's SEMrush. SEMrush affiliate program is the unrivaled affiliate market program for all bloggers and digital marketers in the world. It offers a generous recurring commission cut of up to 40% on every sale you make. Search engine optimization, SEO, audits of a variety of websites are made much easier with the platform's aid in these areas. If you don't use content advertising or marketing to sell, it's a breeze. If you want to start promoting your products through SEMrush, You can easily sign up for their affiliate program and get approved right away. 2. The Cloudways. There are a variety of well-known websites that can benefit from the hosting services provided by Cloudways' SSD-based web server. To determine your monthly income, you have the option of using either a slab-based or a hybrid system. The hybrid model, on the other hand, is ideal if you want to earn a recurring commission. There is a limit of $125 per sale, slab-based, or $30 plus 7% commission, hybrid, per month on the platform. 3. Third-party conversion tool, ConvertKit. Digital marketers, vloggers, and bloggers all benefit from ConvertKit, which is considered one of the best recurring affiliate programs. Up to 30% of the recurring commissions from each payment made by a registered referral who subscribes using your unique affiliate ID can be yours with the platform's compensation plan. It means that if you can refer 115 accounts for up to 1,000 subscribers, you can earn $1,000 per month. 4. Mangools are the fourth fruit mentioned. More than 500,000 customers around the world rely on Mangools as their top SEO platform. KW Finder is the best tool it has to offer. Every successful sale generates a 30% recurring commission for you. We like this website because it makes it easy to find affiliate opportunities right away. Once you've signed up for a Mangools account, you don't have to wait for approval. It implies that as soon as you create an account, you can begin promoting immediately. 5. ActiveCampaign is the fifth app on this list. Using ActiveCampaign, you can precisely target the right prospects with email marketing automation. A unique aspect of this platform is the fact that it allows you to earn unlimited money, which means the more products you sell, the more money you earn. There is a leveling system in place on the website. Silver tier, this allows you to earn a 20% commission on sales. The beginner level. All new businesses or active accounts in the last 3 months are eligible for a 25% commission. Allows you to earn a 30% commission on new businesses or active accounts that have been in existence for the last 3 months. Over 280 platforms, including WordPress, Shopify and Zapier, can be connected with it. On top of all of these useful features, it has CRM tools and market automation. ActiveCampaign's only flaw is that it's overly complicated, making it difficult to use for new users. 6. Aweber. Excellent customer service and high-quality products make Aweber an excellent affiliate program. Designed for startups and small businesses, the platform offers a variety of customizable templates, nearly 700 in number, and the ability to create a unique email address. Aweber's affiliate newsletters and easy-to-print promotional products and sales stats help support affiliates. This popular email marketing tool is known for its ability to leverage and quickly close the deal. Additional features include an RSS email and follow-up email option. For every sale made by your registered referral, you will receive a 30% recurring commission. Start using Aweber right away. 7. Lead pages. Landing Page Builder Lead Pages has a wide variety of professional templates and lead generation tools. Landing pages can be turned into pop-ups and websites with the help of this technology. In addition, its customizable and responsive templates make it easier to build a website. Referrals who stay on the platform and purchase can earn you up to 30% commission for the duration of their membership. 8. GetResponse is the 8th program on the list. GetResponse is adored by marketing professionals because of its many features. A simple click and a few keystrokes will do the trick when it comes to landing pages, sales pages, or even launching a new marketing campaign. In addition to providing a wealth of traffic generation features, stellar email marketing tools, and e-commerce tools, the platform goes above and beyond to make the lives of marketers easier. GetResponse offers a free trial, and you can start earning a recurring commission of 33% on each successful referral by clicking here. It's 9. MailerLite. In terms of email marketing, MailerLite is a one-stop shop because it offers a drag-and-drop page builder, email automation, and more. Automated email sequences can be used to generate leads quickly with the help of this tool. As an affiliate, you get a 30% lifetime commission on every purchase your referral makes. In addition, it offers a wealth of marketing resources and top-notch customer service. 10. Drip. Using Drip is a powerful and cost-effective email marketing strategy. Visit this page to learn how to become an affiliate and earn a recurring monthly commission of 30%. One of the primary goals of the affiliate program is to bring in two types of people: promotional consultants, developers of software. Since Drip can be sold directly to their customers by marketing agents, this program relies heavily on them. Software developers, on the other hand, are favored because they aid in the formation of integration partnerships. 11. The Shopify app. Shopify is a well-known e-commerce platform for setting up online stores. More than 1 million businesses around the world use the platform. All affiliates can earn a 20% to 30% recurring commission on the monthly subscription fees of their new customers. Creating a shop on Shopify is a simple process, and it's free. 12. The Social Pilot app. Affiliates using Social Pilot can earn a lifetime commission of up to 30% by promoting the company's products and services. Small businesses and bloggers can benefit from the platform's social media analytics, team collaboration, and scheduling features. Analysis reports and customer engagement are generated by the software. The interface is simple to use, and it has advanced features that make it easy for marketers to sell a product. 13. ClickFunnels is the 13th item on this list. Using a two-tiered system, ClickFunnels has a tremendous affiliate marketing program that allows you to make 40% recurring commissions. Entrepreneurs in every industry can rely on it. For starters, you can use this platform to quickly and easily create landing and sales pages, making it possible for entrepreneurs to sell any product. The cost of joining this program may be prohibitive for some, but the benefits far outweigh any inconveniences. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you liked our video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.